Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable read receipts feature on Google Messages. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and like this video. And now let's begin. To find the way to do it, we are here on the Google Messages Help Center article, and then we will be needing to simply turn on the RCS chat feature on our Google Messages app, and then we will be able to enable the read receipts feature. And to do so, you will be needing to simply go to the settings of your Google Messages, and then we will be able to turn on our RCS chat. So now let's just click on the Messages app, and from there you will be able to find all your conversation or the conversation lists here. Now you will be needing to click on your profile picture, and after that you will need to click on the message settings. By clicking on it, it will take you to the settings tab, and from there you will find RCS chats as the first choice. And as you can see, if you do not find RCS chat, you might find chat features, and then go to chat features and search for the RCS chat. It really depends on the Google Messages version that you are using. Now let's just click on it, and then you will need just to enable it, and after that we will be able to find the send read receipts, and you will need just to simply click on it, and you will be able to find out when other have read your messages, etc. And by that, you have successfully turned on the read receipts feature on your Google Messages app. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.